So these examples are a little different. It says find the function f of x and point A given f prime of A. So for part A, we have the limit as h goes to 0 of the quantity 2 plus h to the fourth minus 16 all over h. And it's kind of hard to tell what this is at first, but I see the h in there. I see limit as h goes to 0, so I'm thinking they're using the limit definition of the derivative, the h version. So let's bring that up. Okay, so f prime of a, by definition, the definition of the derivative is the limit as h goes to 0 of f of a plus h minus f of a all over h. So we just need to match things up here a little bit. So here's the function. Right here we can tell this is f of a plus h, right? That must be f of a plus h. So then it looks like a must be 2. So a is 2. And the function must be f of x equal, we want a plus h to be the thing inside the function, so I'm thinking the function is x to the fourth equals x to the fourth. Let's see if everything works out. If a is 2, then f of a plus h would indeed be 2 plus h to the fourth minus f of a, that would be f of 2, that's 2 to the fourth, so that is indeed 16 all over h, all over h. So indeed, a must be 2 and f of x must be x to the fourth. Okay, on to part B. It's similar. We have the limit as x goes to a of the quantity 5x squared minus 20 all over x minus 2. So now I'm seeing the other definition of the derivative, the x minus a version. So let's bring that up. Okay, so this definition of the derivative says f prime of a equals the limit as x goes to a of f of x minus f of a all over x minus a. And here we can pretty much just fit the pieces together, right? F of x goes here in the limit definition. Well, that spot is filled with 5x squared in our example. I just noticed something. This should say x goes to 2 right here in our example. So we'll just say that should be x goes to 2, not x goes to a. Okay, no worries. And then we have x minus 2 down here. And our definition, we have x minus a. So that tells us that a must be 2. So a is 2, 5x squared is f of x, and that does the trick. Okay, so these kinds of exercises really aren't too bad if you know what you're looking for.